So I was having technical difficulties today. And so let me just share with you that I was saving $238 in my coffee binder. And y'all missed all this. Look at this. I finished all these challenges. I am going to finish my coffee binder and I'm going to put all the challenges, I'm going to allocate the money. And then next year, I'm coming back with my coffee binder with all new savings challenges. And so I'm closing these out. So this one was $44, and this is from the Hopeful Budgeter. And it saved us a total of $44. And then this savings challenge is from Boop and Budgets, Overthinking a Budget, and Sunrise Budgeting. It saved us $20, and it's going to birthday. Because why? My daughter's birthday is coming, and I don't have any money saved. This is going to the high income binder. It's $24. And this cute savings challenge was from Next Level Budget. This is from my coffee shop. It saved us $68, and it's going to go to the car. And I was good with that because I paid for some car repairs for my son, and I need to replace that money. But I was thankful that I had that money saved. So this is another $20 from Life Unfiltered that is going to my son. So that is where we are at. We will keep moving. I apologize for my technical difficulties, but this here coffee binder is going to get completed today. And so here we go. 2, 4. Oh, we need $24, y'all. So let's just put the 5 back. And let's put 2, 3, 4. Actually, I'm going to save this too if I can. I'm saving my 2s because I have a savings challenge I saved for Bunny. That's my girl. Y'all know it. 21, 2, 3, 4. And so all my 2s go into her savings challenge. All right, so that's $24. And where are we saving this money? 10. The cruise. I'm putting it to the cruise. Yes. You know what? These little amounts add up. $24. Let me tell you, that's how I saved for France. And I just finished paying for my trip to France. And yes, my husband had to help, but the fact of the matter was I stayed for France for 3 years. Y'all saw me. So look, this is another one. It's coming back next year. Cup of Happiness. Yeah, don't even know who gave it to me, but it's coming back next year. I think it was Charma Budget. Anyway, it will be in my coffee binder next year. So let's see. What do we have left to save in the Humble Budgeter? Wow, I saved the biggest for last. No, it wasn't the biggest. But it was $10. So then that is 50, 70, 90, 100. Boom. There we go. So we have $100 for the Humble Budgeter. And I'm going to make an executive decision and put this to birthday because I need money for birthday. My couple of birthdays coming up. Not just my daughter, but my grandson's birthday. Yes, my grandson's birthday. Absolutely. His number 1. He's going to be 1 year old. 1 year old. So excited. Ooh, this is a lot. Let's just cap this off. So each icon is 2, 2, 4, $32. I just realized it says it saves the total of $40. So let's put $40 in here. $40. This is Party Planner Potpourri. Number 9, taxes. I'm saving enough money for taxes. I'm not doing taxes. 10 is the cruise. It's $40 going to the cruise. It adds up, y'all. Here's another big one. I'm going to make an executive decision that this big one goes to birthday for my daughter and my grandson. I can't forget my daughter. Oh, wow. So we did not finish this one. We might have to bring this one back because I don't know that I have enough money for that. That's $30 plus. I don't know. 4 and 3. So 5, 6, 7. So let's see here. So 50, 70, 80, 85, 90, 92, 93, 94, 95. Oh, it's supposed to be 95. Yeah. All right, we'll come back to this one, but that I'm feeling like this cute coffee one will be in next year's coffee binder. That's what I'm feeling. Now, this cute one is from 9 Blossoms, and this saves a total of $32. All right, so we just need $32. So 20, 30 to put this back. 20, 31, and 2. $32 for the Latte Lounge. That's 9 Blossoms. We're going to add all this up when we're done. Where is this money going? I didn't write here. This is birthday. Number 2. Oh, the high income binder. So I'll have some money to come back. I honestly have not been saving in my high income binder because I've been saving for France. Sometimes you have to get your priorities straight. And France was my priority. And I couldn't do high income and France. Let's see. We got to save some money. So we got a 4 and a 6. So that's $10. So that would be $50. So there we go. $50. Let's see where this is going. Nobody knows. Number 3. Self-care. And look, that's a perfect savings challenge for self-care. And it was a total of $50. So I'm taking it for my self-care. Yep. And the last one saves a total of $24. So I can't finish that other one. I have enough money. So 20, 1, 2, 3, and 4, $24. And let's see, where is this going to be saved? We got to finish doing this. Oh, wow. Number 9 is taxes, not saving it to taxes. Number 12 is, wow, our anniversary. But that's next year. So let's do something else. Oh, let's make an executive decision for birthday. Yep. So $24 goes in birthday. And then our final one, we've got to roll the dice. So we got $30 plus 4. So that's 34, 37, and 6. So that's $42, right? 13 plus 30. Oh my goodness, it's $43. Where's your math? So 20, 30, 35, 40. 1, 2. I hate to use this $2, but anyway. So there. So we got to $43. And where is it going? 11. The cruise. So we got 20, 30, 35, 42, $43. That's it. So let's add it up. We will add it up. Right? We saved $584. Cha-ching for coffee. Don't tell me you can't have fun and save a bunch of money. And I had $5, $7, $8 left over. That will come back with another savings challenge. Yes, yes, yes. Listen, if you like this video and you're inspired to save because you know little becomes much when you place it in the master's hands. If you know these little amounts add up and you want to follow along, please like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Bye for now. Love you guys.